People think in the future robots will be part of our lives and even replace humans in schools and offices. A Japanese company is developing a robot helper. HRP2 can wash the dishes, use a vacuum cleaner and sweep the floor. These robot helpers will be very useful for people who are old or too sick to do simple household chores.
A future technology that could be very popular is self-driving cars. These cars will take us to and from work, take the kids to school, and collect your shopping from automated supermarkets. They will never get lost, because they have GPS, they will never drive too fast, they will never get tired, but could run out of power.
Self-driving cars should be much safer than human drivers. Over 1 million people are killed in road accidents every year. Self-driving cars are being tested on roads in England and the USA. We should see self-driving cars in the next 10 years.
Many people think that in the future, teachers will be robots. A robot can teach any subject, it can play videos and music, it can speak any language, but maybe it cannot read your handwriting or understand what you are saying.
Did you know that all the voices you have heard in this video are robot voices?